Hello, good morning my friends. Good morning my friends. Nandito po tayo sa bahay nila tita. We're waiting for Danford to come over. We have plans today. We're going to the farm to catch some chicken for soup. You know, it's cold out here, so we need some hot soup, native chicken from the farm. While waiting for Danford, that's my daughter over there, Galen, and Pearl with her blanket. She's comfy there. Alright, let me talk to Danford. I'll call on Danford. See you later my friends.